Friends, do you remember that era when a smartphone meant just one thing, BlackBerry? A true legend that taught the world a whole new language of professionalism. But you know what, friends? History has a funny way of proving that real kings never truly die, they just go underground to plan the comeback of the century. And today, BlackBerry is roaring back with the BlackBerry Athena 6G, a device so mind-blowing that Apple and Samsung's top engineers are probably already breaking into cold sweats. This isn't just another phone, folks. This is a technological typhoon, ready to shake the very foundations of the entire mobile industry in 2026. Is this really the revolution that's about to stage a coup in the tech world? Let's get up close and personal with this beast. Design and display. First things first, just feast your eyes on this design. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This isn't just a smartphone, this is a work of art. It rocks an ultra-premium, classy matte white back finish, elegantly wrapped in a luxurious golden metal frame. But the real magic, it's all happening up top in that camera module. In this image, you'll notice a breathtakingly unique, opulent gold-toned quad camera housing that sets it apart from absolutely everything else out there. The finishing is so ridiculously premium that the moment you hold it, you'll feel like royalty. This phone is the perfect marriage of modern and classic, a fusion so stunning it'll leave even Apple and Samsung's designers scratching their heads in disbelief. Now, if anything has grabbed everyone's attention after the design, it's that display. We're talking about a massive 6.9-inch 4K micro OLED panel. Bro, when you watch 4K HDR content on this screen, you won't feel like you're watching a movie, you'll feel like you're witnessing reality unfolding right before your very eyes. The bezels are so razor thin that the entire screen delivers a true infinity experience right in your palm. The peak brightness is so ridiculously high that even under the scorching sun, you won't have to squint to see what's on your screen. And to top it off, it features a buttery smooth 144Hz adaptive refresh rate that makes scrolling and gaming feel like gliding on silk. This isn't just a mobile display, this is an IMAX theater in your pocket. DSLR killer camera setup. Now let's talk about the feature that's been setting social media on fire. On the back of this phone sits a powerhouse 500 megapixel main sensor. That's right, you heard me correctly, 500 megapixels. You get an absolute beast of a quad camera setup with different focal lengths and, wait for it, Leica branding. This Leica optics system captures colors and details so vividly that your photos will look like they've stepped right out of real life. This setup is no less than a professional studio. Say goodbye to lugging around those heavy, insanely expensive DSLR cameras because now you've got an entire Hollywood studio packed right into your pocket. Performance. Hidden beneath that gorgeous exterior is a monster that absolutely refuses to lose. Inside, it's packing the world's most advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor. This chipset is so lethal, whether it's heavy-duty graphics, 8K video rendering, or massive AI tasks, this phone handles it all like it's child's play. And paired with 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM. Bro, your multitasking is going to be so insane that you'll completely forget what it even feels like to experience lag or a phone hanging on you ever again. And with the latest Android 17 on board, the experience is pure buttersmooth perfection. Battery and charging. To keep all this raw power alive and kicking, it packs a massive 7500 mAh graphene battery. The biggest advantage of graphene is that this phone will never overheat on you, and battery anxiety. Yeah, that's ancient history now. And when it's time to juice up, the included 100W hypercharger will power this thing up in the blink of an eye. You won't even finish your cup of chai, and boom, your phone is fully charged and ready to charge back into battle. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, what's the price tag going to be? This ultimate flagship is expected to land around the $1,200 range. Is it cheap? Absolutely not. But when you look at the cutting-edge technology and sheer premiumness you're getting, even that price starts to feel like a steal. As for the launch, get ready for the biggest surprise of the year. It's set to make its grand global entrance in the very last week of December 2026. So, friends, what do you think? Will the BlackBerry Athena 6G finally end Apple and Samsung's reign this time around? Is it going to reclaim its lost throne and rise from the ashes? Set the comments section on fire and tell us, are you ready to empty your pockets for this beast? And don't forget to smash that like button.